Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore Glimpses of India, a fascinating chapter from class 10th English. Through three different narratives, this chapter takes us on a journey across India, introducing us to its rich culture, tradition, natural beauty, and heritage. The chapter consists of three parts. The first part is a baker from Goa, Coorg, and the third part is tea from Assam. Let's begin our journey. Part 1. A Baker from Goa. The first part of the chapter is written by Lucio Rodriguez. The author recalls his childhood memories of Goa and describes the importance of bakers in Goa society. Goa was once a Portugal colony. Even after the Portuguese left, many of their traditions continued. One such tradition was baking bread. The baker, popularly known as the padder, played an important role in every Goa village. His arrival was eagerly waited every morning. As children, the author and his friends would run to meet the baker. They were more interested in delicious bread bangles than in the loaves of bread. The baker would arrive carrying a bamboo staff and a basket full of freshly baked bread. The jingling sound of his bamboo stick on the ground announced his arrival. Bread formed an essential part of Goa life. It was used on all occasions, birthdays, marriages, and festivals. No celebration was considered complete without bread. The author also describes the baker's attire. During his childhood, bakers usually wore a long frock-like dress known as the kabai. Later, they switched to the shirts and trousers. The prosperity of bakers was evident from their appearances. They were generally well-fed and healthy. In fact, the author humorously says that someone who looked healthy was often compared to a baker. Through this narrative, the author highlights the cultural heritage of Goa and shows how a simple profession became an inseparable part of the community life. Next part of Glimpses of India is Coorg. The second part of the chapter is a beautiful travel description of Coorg. Coorg, also known as Kodagu, is located midway between Mysore and Mangalore in Karnataka. It is one of the most beautiful hill stations in India and is often called the Scotland of India. The region is famous for its rolling hills, evergreen forest, coffee plantations, spices, and breathtaking landscapes. The best time to visit Coorg is between September and March, when the weather is pleasant and the nature is at its best. The author describes Coorg as a paradise for nature lovers. The forests are home to a variety of animals including elephants, squirrel, kingfishers, langurs, and many species of birds. The river Kaveri originates in the hills of Coorg and adds to its natural beauty. The people of Coorg are known for their courage, hospitality, and independent spirit. According to one theory, the Kodagu people are descendants of Greeks who settled in India during Alexander's invasion. Their custom and traditions seem to support this belief. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated regiments of the Indian Army. General Cariappa, one of India's most respected military leaders, belong to Coorg. Adventure enthusiasts can enjoy river rafting, trekking, rock climbing, mountain biking, and canoeing in the region. The author also mentions the Brahmagiri Hills, where one can enjoy panoramic view and experience the serenity of nature. Through this travelogue, readers discover the scenic beauty, rich culture, and adventurous spirit of Coorg. The third part of the chapter is Tea from Assam. It has been written by Arup Kumar Datta. It narrates the journey of two friends, Rajveer and Pranjal, through the tea gardens of Assam. Pranjal belonged to Assam while Rajveer is visiting the state for the first time. As the train moves through Assam, Rajveer is fascinated by the endless stretches of tea plantation. They observe tea bushes neatly arranged in rows and tea pluckers busy collecting fresh leaves. Rajveer recalls the legends and the stories he has read about tea. One Chinese legend tells of an emperor who discovered tea accidentally when tea leaves fell into the boiling water. Another story speaks of the Buddhist monk who cut off his eyelids to avoid sleep during meditation. Tea plants are believed to have grown from those eyelids. Historically, tea was first consumed in China and gradually became popular throughout the world. The chapter also discusses tea production. Tea plants require warm temperatures, heavy rainfall, and fertile soil. Assam provides ideal conditions for tea cultivation. The tea pluckers carefully collect the tender leaves and which are then processed in factories to produce tea. Rajveer learns that Assam is one of the largest tea producing regions in the world and contributes significantly to India's tea industry. As the train passes through the lush green plantations, Rajveer is filled with excitement and admiration for the beauty of Assam. This part not only highlights the importance of tea cultivation but also introduces readers to the history and global significance of tea. So, Glimpses of India presents three unique aspects of India. A baker from Goa introduces us to Goa's cultural traditions. Coorg showcases the breathtaking beauty and adventurous spirit of Karnataka's hill paradise. Tea from Assam takes us into the world of tea plantations and reveals the fascinating history behind one of the world's most popular beverages. Together, these three narratives celebrate India's diversity, heritage, natural beauty, and cultural richness. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep discovering the many glimpses of India.